चलो शुरू है।
स्टार्ट करें?
हाँ
Yes.
हाँ।
Okay. So good evening, gentlemen. So we are here to discuss on a very fabulous topic, which is should beauty pageants banned? Actually, this question must be cleared by the definition of beauty pageant. So, what does beauty pageant means? It is basically a beauty competition where the participants participate in this competition to win, which is on the basis of their physical appearance or facial beauty. This type of category are there, and the finalist got prize who is the best in this competition. So this type of competition should be banned or not? This is the question. So in my point of view, this type of competition create a very mental gap in our society, because this type of competition creates caste, sorry, facial or physical appearance discrimination, which is directly hampered on the people of our society, as the categories is facial structure, color, or fairness. So it gives a great bad impact on the society of the on the society of basically female ones, because there are many cases coming of suicidal because of this type of competition, as they cannot qualify this competition uh, because of their appearance. So they have to take this type of decision. Most of the cases, they most of the cases, it is being seen that the downfall of the mentality of society is being happening. So in my point of view, these were the points.
I am really sorry, Anand, but I disagree with many of your points. First of all, the definition you told us about the beauty pageants, that it describes it is competition based on the facial expression, or sorry, facial, how one looks or how she appears. But if you know about if you have a little bit of knowledge about what is the competition of this thing, beauty contest, there are several rounds in which they have to show their physical appearance also, but there is one round also where they check their brains, how they, because in these beauty contests the name is beauty, but actually what they check is the brain and the beauty. So you can't
Yes.
say only the the competition is about the beauty of the girl or any or man.
Okay,
And
for
and
adding
one
your
thing,
1 minute. 1 minute. Atul.
okay,
one
okay,
Atul.
everybody.
and one more point I want to add. You said that due to this many suicidal cases are there. So I would like to remind you that even in the exams like IIT and NEET, there are many suicides. So should we ban those also?
Actually, what Anand said, like the caste problem and mainly the beauty, what he said.
No caste
Okay.
problem. I said the color and the facial and physical appearance. No caste.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Racism.
Yeah. Like what it is a contest. It is not only the contest based on beauty. Like in Africa, the Miss World or Miss Global, whoever she is the most darkest.
Yes, yes.
Darkest. Yeah,
Even the
she has
images
the
of her is
yeah.
viral on Instagram.
This
Yes.
this type of competition mainly held to show that that many people say that the people, those who have good, those who have beauty, they have beauty, they do not have brains. That's not the fact. Beauty can also have brains.
Several black women are also Miss Universe. If
So
you
you
check
are
on the
using the
It
color
it
code,
mainly
na?
it
You all
mainly
are
it
using color
mainly
code.
no,
You say
because
that black
you
women,
said
white women,
no, no, no,
they are also
no, no,
you are
because
using.
no, because you said that it discriminates the in
yeah,
basis
yeah.
of color.
Yes,
That's
it
why
is
we are talking
discriminating the
about color.
society. It is discriminating the society. You
So
said it is a
how is
brain.
it
I'm
discriminating? How is it
explaining,
Yes.
Kundu.
discriminating?
Wait. You said that it is a contest of brain and beauty. Okay. So in the short term, I have also said the beauty is one of the factor. Okay, I totally agreed with you that it is a competition of brain also. But some points are also lacking on focusing on the beauty contest also. They must have to qualify the categories which is of beauty, which is showing of beautiness. Then the
No.
brain competition is
No,
another thing.
how can you
Okay.
say that you have to show the beautiness? You can't say
No,
like
no.
that.
Because it is a
They you
beauty
have
Yes, yes.
they
contest.
also
So
judge the personality, their
Yes,
weakness,
yes.
their strength, everything they judge.
Yes, yes.
They
beautiness
otherwise
And
can
also,
how
be a personality
otherwise
also.
how can you can't say that the
Yes, I
African
can
girl,
say.
the African girl who
Why
has
you are
been
why you are targeting the African guys? Why you are
no, because
targeting the
no,
African? Because they are
no,
no,
I am
black.
tell
because
no 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 you only
You
so,
can also
tell
give the
told
example of
no.
Indian also.
Yeah, you take any Indian girl. No, I am
No,
telling the skin. The skin that you have told is discriminate.
why you are
yes.
discriminating
You
the
only told
Africans?
no. You
You are
that
focusing on the
uh,
color of the Africans.
yeah
No,
for
because
You don't have
to
any
prove you
point.
wrong, to
You
prove you
all
wrong.
are
No,
revolving on the point that their color are this and their color this. Our point of discussion is should beauty pageants is banned or not?
yeah, that's what I
Our,
was saying. That
our point
you
of view
told.
is not to say
yeah
the people of
Yes,
Africans
yes,
are
yes.
black or not, they are discriminated or not.
Yes. Let me speak. Yes, yes. I was on
Please
that point only. You.
show your point of view. Please.
Yes, yes. I am saying that you only said that the beauty pageant should be banned because they discriminate on the basis of color. You said that
yes
not all. Okay, that's what I am saying. That it does not discriminate on color. That's why it should not be banned.
and it
That's
mainly
what we
helps
are
to
trying to
gain his
tell.
confidence,
Yes.
What
Even
type
personality.
of confidence we are gaining?
yes, I am saying that, and it doesn't mean the beauty is only on the basis of color. They check several parameters. Once
Yeah,
they check the face of the, they check the
I also
diameter
told
of
the
the
same
eyes.
point of view, Atul.
All
Facial, physical
they
structure, and
don't no
body.
they you told about color.
It
yes.
was one of the point, not one
Yes,
point.
they no they don't
Color,
discriminate on
facial,
color.
They
physical, and
don't
structure.
they don't discriminate through color. There are many. You can't say that
I
if
am not blaming the competitors that they are coming there and saying that you are black, you are not selected, get lost. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that these are the some categories which a competitor, which a participant should pass to get in the competition. These are some categories. I'm
Okay.
not saying that the competitor are discriminating you that you are black. Just get lost.
Okay, okay. Every competition have some set of rules. Any candidate who want to pass that have to follow that rules. There, the name is only the beauty contest. Okay, the name is you have to be perfect for that. It is for the actor and actress who wants to go in that field. If they want to be an engineer, they have to study. We can't say that they are dumb, so they we are discriminating in the level of mind, how clever they are or not. We can't tell that exams are discriminating those. Everyone are giving exams.
Some
It
students
doesn't matter.
can become intelligent by doing hard work, but a people who is black cannot be converted into white person.
Again you are coming
Again
on
you are
black.
telling, again
Again
you are
you are
telling black.
coming
I
on
Yes,
give
black.
I
you
am
the
telling. You told
most
that
example.
dumb person and the fairness both are same. Okay, both cannot pass certain. They have to pass certain amount of certain categories. I am not saying that. I am saying that a dumb person can become intelligent by studying hard, but a person whose fairness or whose physical structure is bad. Have you ever what saw a physically challenged girl or boy being a Miss Universe?
Yes,
Have
yes,
you ever
Yes,
any
yes,
example?
yes,
yes. I can
yes,
give you example. I can give
Give,
you example.
give me example.
Yes. Even the there also is what a beauty pageant also occurs for the especially the challenged people also.
Yes, you said
Okay.
that they are specially organizing aside beside from the
Yes.
parameter of
It
a
is
good
same as the
looking man.
category. It is same as
yeah. It
It is
category
is
in
same
the
as
category.
exams.
I
category.
am saying that they should be competing in the same category where all the women who is physically good and all the women who is physically hampered. They should. Why they are making separate competition for this? It means there is some discrimination.
Discrimination is everywhere. Even the you
Even
are
Yeah,
so,
going
everywhere.
on
tell me one
another
thing that
point.
Everywhere.
when you are
Everywhere. That's why it
going
should
to
be
give some
banned.
exam, So
So
tell me, when you
you
are
are
giving
going
some
on
exams,
another point. Yes.
No, I am
you
sticking
are
on the
give there
point.
is
You
also
are guys
SPSC,
targeting my
OPT.
point of view. You are not giving any new points. Just give your point of view. Don't target any one person. Give your perspective. Atul told that it should not be banned. Okay, good. What about Kundu? Just tell
Yeah,
some
I
points.
also agree. I also agree that it should not be banned.
Thanks for agreement. Just say some point. You don't say that I agree. What are the valid points?
First of all, like it mainly wants to, it mainly grows the confidence in it. Like I am facing so many people standing there. It builds a personality. It builds many other things. The confidence which if you are facing a stage, then you will get some you will get
So
stage
they can
free.
become a comedian also. They can become a host also. Why they should be going there?
No,
Beauty pageant.
because they have chosen that path, because he or she wants to participate there. No one has forced them to go and stand there. They want to participate. That's why they went there.
Yes, no
Yes,
one
no
is
one is
yes, I
forced.
agree
I
with you,
agree with
Kundu.
you, Kundu.
Yeah.
I
I
agree with
agree
you.
with you totally.
Yes, they
Yes,
and
and
if you
if
just
you just
Google
Google
once that
once
what are
that
the
what are the
parameters of
parameters of
beauty
beauty
pageant, you
pageants,
can
you
see
can
that
see
the
that the
intelligence,
intelligence,
the
the
attitude.
attitude,
There is
there is
never
never
there is
there is
no,
no
क्या
क्या
बोलते
बोलते हैं कि
There is no presence of the
No
word.
category.
हैं? There is
there
No
is
no discrimination.
एक मिनट एक
good
मिनट
point.
रुको रुको
आ
रुको
रहा
आ रहा भाई आ रहा
Don't
है
stuck on these points. Just
mentioned
get
mentioned
ahead.
they
there is
there
not
is
at all
not
Well,
at all
mentioned
mentioned
about the
about the
color
color
or the
or the
shape
shape
or the
or the
size of
size of
any
any
person
person
who
who
judge
judge
about the
about the
pageant, the
pageants,
beauty
the
pageant.
beauty pageants.
Other
Other
parameters
parameters
on which
on
the
which the
beauty
beauty
pageants are
pageants are
judged
judged
are
are
intelligence,
intelligence,
your
your attitude, your
ability to
ability
give
to
the
give the
answers to
answers
the
to the
questions of
questions of
judges,
judges,
and
and
also
also
these
these
parameters.
parameters.
There is
There is
not
not
mentioned
mentioned
anything about
anything about
the
the
color
color
or the
or
same
the same
size of
size
the
of the
candidates.
candidates.
So why?
Means
Why?
So
there
where
is
is the
nothing
Where is the
point?
about
point?
related to physical appearance, facial structure, color, fairness. These points are just jugs. Okay. Okay, I have not googled the definition of beauty pageants. That's why I was going in the beauty competition. Thanks for the very fine definition,
Yes,
Yes,
you
Atul.
should
you
have
should have
knowledge about
knowledge
what
about
you are
what you are
speaking.
No,
speaking.
That's why.
That's why.
we should have knowledge about.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, I totally agree with you. I have not googled anything. It
So
was
you
just
should
you
have
should have
Google
Google
before
before
speaking
speaking
because it
because
is
it is
very
very
sensitive
sensitive
topic to
topic
speak
to
because
on.
if
speak
you
on.
say anything wrong, then the
Yes.
opponent
Yes,
will
I have not said
catch.
anything wrong. Okay,
No,
Yes,
no.
you
yes,
have.
you
I
what
have.
have
we have
no, no.
saw, what
You
we
have
have saw that beauty pageant there is some category where the Miss Universe and the name were there. So that I made a points related this. The Miss India competition are just putting these fucking points in the face, structure, color, fairness. These were the main category in the Miss Universe and
you
Miss
No,
can't
India
use
or
no,
beauty
absurd.
no.
pageant.
You
No,
can't
no.
There,
use
There,
absurd words.
Yes, yes,
You
they
can't
are
use.
using this.
You
You
can't
have
use
to
absurd
agree.
words. Yeah.
yes,
These
yes,
were the
exactly.
points, and we have not concluded anything. We have to say that the it should be banned or not on some valid points. So, what were the conclusions, Atul?
yes.
Please.
I
I
must say that
must say
it
that
should
it
not
should
be
not
banned.
be banned.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes,
Yes, you
yes,
are
you
telling
are
that
telling that
discrimination. The
discrimination, the thing.
yes,
Yes,
there are
there are
discriminations
discriminations
everywhere,
everywhere,
even in
even
the
in the
jobs.
jobs,
The
even in the
jobs when
jobs
we are
when we are
going,
going,
there are
there are
discriminations. We
discriminations.
can't
We can't
put it
put it
aside.
aside.
But
But
looking into
looking
the
into
main
the
thing
main
that
thing that
it gives
it
a
gives a
platform to
platforms
the
to
people
the
who
people who
wants to
wants to
go into
go
that
into that
field.
field.
They get
They
a
get a
platform to
platform
be
to
there.
be there.
If you
If
just
you
remove
just
that
remove
platform,
that platform,
where will the
where will
people
the
go?
people go?
Where will
Where
they
will they
compete?
compete?
So
So
everyone should
everyone
get
should
some
get some
platform where
platform
they
where
can
they
show
can
their
show
talent.
their talent.
So these
So these
beauty
Very
beauty
pageants
nicely
are
pageants are
explained by Atul.
the
Very
the
beauty
nicely
beauty
explained
the
what
beauty
the
is
beauty
pageants
necessary,
are
pageants
what
the
are
is
the
needed.
yes. Thank
yes.
you.
Could you
Thank
please
you.
conclude in some few lines?
Yeah, according to me, these type of competitions or any competition should not be banned because, as Atul said,
Not
that
banned,
if
banned.
yeah should not be
Sorry
banned.
to correct you.
As Atul said that if the competition is banned, then where the competitor will go? And the most important thing is that nobody is forcing them to went there and perform. They only want. So according to me, we should not ban anything or any competition. So This is my
Abdul
conclusion.
still wants to conclude some
Yes,
more
I,
points.
I,
Please
I
go
just,
ahead.
a point
A
came
point
into
came
my
into
mind
my
after
mind
when I
after when
said
I
that
said
the
that the
platform should
platform
not
should
be
not be
Just
removed.
say.
just like
Just
that
like that
TikTok.
TikTok,
You said
if you said
TikTok.
TikTok,
TikTok was
TikTok
a
was
good,
a
good
good
platform,
platform,
but
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 the
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 people,
people,
many
many
people
people
who
who
joined the
join the
platform make
platform
it
make it a
toxic one.
toxic one.
They
They
do
do
something else.
something else.
But you
But
can't
you
say that
can't
the
say that the
platform is bad.
platform is bad.
The
The
people made
people
it
made
bad.
it bad.
So
So
you can't
you
blame
can't blame
platform.
platform.
If
If
beauty
beauty
pageants
pageants
also have
also
some
have some
defective, then
defective, then
the
the
people in it
people in it
should have
should have
look into
look
it and
into it
solve
and
it.
solve it.
You can't
You
just
can't
blame
just
that
blame
beauty
that
pageant
beauty
should be
pageant
banned.
should be banned. Okay,
Okay, thanks for your valuable comments. And
that's
at
my
last,
point.
I want to conclude that my points were going somewhere else, and you guys made it just on the right track. Thanks, very, very thanks.
So
You
that's
made
That's
friends are
friends
for.
are for.
yeah.
Yes.
It should be there. If anyone is going outside the track, you should make it stretch there and come on the
Yeah.
stick on the point. So thanks for your cooperation. And at last, I want to say that yes, I am now agreeing with your points that these platforms should be there so that the most achievable person should go there and achieve their success. So these were the valuable points. And at last, thank you for your participation.
Yes,
Yes,
thank you.
thank you. It was very nice to be nice group discussion.
Yeah.